That's a little bit strange.
Well, I suppose I really go with it.
I'm say hi big for Benson.
Just in case you we're gonna... Rylan met Jerry Halliwell.
And you are the Spice Boy.
Just absolutely... Hard to imagine if I ever fell out with Rob Williams, isn't it? I'm strictly Team Rylan all the way. I want to know which band member you were. Oh, I definitely won't go to Steve's out, Joe.
Everybody who doesn't love you, they're just well, child, because you are the real dream professor.
Oh, do you know what? I've just done another gig, like, where is it? Shrewsbury. And, do you know what? No disrespect to the club, but I was like, in and see you later, I'm going Nightingales, bye! Oh, do you know what? I've got to say this as well. You've got to be fucking weird tonight as well. Because tomorrow is my first day off in 3 months. And tonight, I am getting fucked. And I can't wait. I'm so excited. Alright guys, I'm going to do some songs for you now. Let's have a fucking laugh. This is when I'll be famous. Yo! Turn that music up, come on. We don't want it anywhere across the bridge at midnight. Okay. It's sunny as the light flashing out so bright. There's a crowd on the floor like crackers again, I'm rolling on her back, on her back. And the sister rhythm rolling is crazy all the way down the spine. Alright, Birmingham, make some fucking noise. Two minutes later, girls on film. Girls on film. Got your picture, girls on film. Alright, you all know the words, here we go. When will I be famous? I can't answer that. When will I see my picture in the paper? I can't answer that. When will I be famous? Cheers, bye. You keep asking the question, the one you're not supposed to answer. When will I be famous? I can't answer that. When will I see my picture in the paper? I can't answer that. When will I be famous? I can't answer that. When will I be famous?